Hi, I'm Frank Feysa from Smithers OASIS. Welcome to the Idea Channel, and today we're going to talk a little bit about this Asian arrangement that we're going to construct. And I think it just has so much visual impact, and it doesn't have a whole lot of materials in it. And of course, cost of goods is a really important thing in our industry, and we really try to keep that to a check and really make our arrangements profitable. And I want to show you today how to use rainbow foam in a manner that is interesting, almost like a moss sort of treatment at the bottom of the container. What you want to do is cut some foam using the OASIS foam cutter knife in a sort of a very small little piece. So much of our designing is done with a foam that's slightly above the container, and this is a good instance, a good example of a way to create a different effect using a really flat sort of surface on the arrangement. So I have a nice layer of OASIS foam at the bottom with a nice lip. But the trick of this is really to wet it down with a mister bottle, which is going to saturate the foam and keep it in place. So we'll start our arrangement here, and I'm going to use some of these challah leaves. So we'll cut it and just make your insertions into the lower foam through the rainbow foam. And you can really have fun with this. You can do all kinds of interesting shapes, but keep in mind this is Asian inspired. You want to keep it simple. Keep it simple. So I'm going to put a couple pieces of this U-glue on. I took it right off of the roll, and these little tabs will come right off my U-glue here. You can see, you can barely see it. I'm going to fold it over, get a really nice good contact, and you are good to go. Great. Okay, now we sort of have a blank slate here for insertion of the iris. I'll turn it around here so you can see it before I put the iris in. I mean, this is just so cool because there's all kinds of interesting things that I could do to this. Putting linear upright liatris, or just a few elements that are going to keep the cost down but make the visual impact really important. Got our iris here. Give them a fresh cut. Now what I'm going to show you is the last step, which is really, I think, the most critical part of using this powdered rainbow foam, is to take a mister bottle and mist the foam. Again, you can add other little elements if you wanted, little orbs made out of aluminum wire, or different stones, or something interesting, but very Asian, very easy to do, very quick, very low cost of goods, and a super thing for Mother's Day, especially for that mother that might not want that traditional sort of look. I'm Frank Feysa, and thanks for stopping by today.